workshop. I'm Tim, the iPhone repairman. I've had a few people ask me about how do I fix my devices and what parts do I use, and I decided to put up these little videos here just to let you have a look at the process and just see how it all happens. With his first one he's coming up is just going to be a little stop motion, and it'll just give you a bit of an idea of how things work and how it all is. So if you just want to go on to looking at the stop motion, we'll put it up there now.
We're gonna need a bigger bass.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed that little stop motion. Please don't forget to subscribe and watch out for all my new videos, and hopefully I'll be able to show you a lot more of what's going on. Stay cool.